Here's how to embroider the eyeball, embroider the pupil. I'm using 2 strands of embroidery floss. I happen to be using a very dark brown, but you can use black, of course. And I'm not going to bother tucking in the end at first. We can do that later. So you're going to start by making a straight line, the diameter, the size of the diameter of the pupil, iris? Pupil, I guess. And then you make a little plus sign. And then if you turn it into an X, just by rotating a little bit, you make another plus sign over the X. All right, and then we're going to connect the ends here. So just go from tip to tip. Oops, come back, eyeball. Well, that's annoying, isn't it? I'll set that aside. All the way around. Now, alternatively, you could take a tiny hole punch size piece of dark felt and you could glue or sew that to the eyeball. All right, great. And now we're just gonna fill in anywhere where we see whites. Just cross that over. And I see a little spot here. There we go. Maybe one more here. All right. And then I'm going to trim the ends and we'll be ready to go.